How to fix Remini app crashing issue. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using Remini and finding that the app keeps crashing, freezing or closing unexpectedly, first of all, go ahead and force close the Remini application on your smartphone or tablet. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then bring up the app switcher. Push upwards on the Remini app card to force close the app. Once you force close the app, launch it open again. A simple restart can sometimes fix temporary problems. Once you are done with it, if the problem still continues, the next thing you can do is to restart your device. Press and hold the power button of your device and click on restart. Sometimes restarting will fix the problems on your Android or your iOS device as well. Now the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or your mobile data, and then that might be able to fix your issue. If the problem still persists, then go ahead and update your Remini application. Launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store, and in the search bar type in Remini and search. From the search results, look for the Remini AI Photo Enhancer app and then look for the update button if available. If you see the update button, tap on it. If you don't see the update button, it means you already have the latest version installed. After the update is done, click on open and you'll be able to update your Remini application to the latest version. You can also go ahead and clear your Remini app cache if the problem still continues. Go ahead and open up the Settings app icon from your app drawer. Now from the Settings menu that appears on the screen, scroll down and tap Apps. Once you're inside the app list, go ahead and look for Remini. Click on it to open the App Info section. Inside App Info, click on Clear Data at the bottom right. In the pop-up, click on Clear Cache. Now click OK in the pop-up to clear out the cache data. So once you do that, you will be able to clear the cache data on Remini application. So after doing so, launch open Remini app again and check if it runs smoothly. So that is how you can easily fix your Remini application crashing issue, whether you are using an Android smartphone or Android tablet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.